What's happening here?
You're being filmed.
What's that?
So I'm videoing you. I'm sick of it. Sick of all eggs.
So all these eggs were reduced. Got 198 eggs. There's those ones in that bag there. There's these truckle egg ones, which have been 1.99 out of 20 pence. And there's also some of these 18 pence for 15, the mixed sizes ones. There as well. So there's that bag, and then the rest been put in the fridge. Yeah. Yeah, some there in the fridge. Also got some of these packs of chicken and all that, and sausage rolls seem to have gone. There's just crumbs left. Crumbs, that's all. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dear me. Crumbs. It was 9 o'clock on Monday evening, and these bushes that I've transplanted into pots are doing really well with flowers. That's a particularly good one. Have a look this way. If you leave the daffodils till they've gone yellow, that means the flower the year after, including the ones in pots. So you have to leave it till the foliage has gone yellow because it's still photosynthesizing. It's still sending energy back down to the bulb. Plenty of lilac colour. So I've just been to the ran to the post box and back, and had a couple of eBay sales. Tremendous colour of the different flowers. So we've got these rocket ones, these poker shaped ones here. They like it wet and sort of shaded, lovely pink. And then these two, they're kind of almost an alpine one, rockery one. They kind of like it wet and shaded. So they're doing very, very well. We actually brought both of these with us, just a little clump of them, from Church Lane, and they've sort of spread already pretty well. That's another lilac. Rhododendron flowers are fading now. These are beans, these ones. And I planted some other seeds around the beans, which were Nigella sunflower, and then other little seeds around the sunflower. Plenty of strawberry flowers there, and mini strawberries starting to appear. And then here we've got this has come up, and I thought there was going to be one flower stem, but actually there's loads of little stems coming off it as well. So it'll be interesting to see how this comes. But yet the other two haven't got any flower stems yet. So that's interesting. These ones are grown up and up and up with flowers, but other flowers coming off them. There's one here, which is quite a decent specimen from it. And then these look like millions and millions of little foxglove seeds, which have just, for some reason, just now come out all this time later, like a whole summer later, after the seeds would have come off the. These foxgloves are getting ready to flower, but these seeds have just come up from foxgloves. So they must have just been sitting in the soil and then just decided to pop up. So this bush is in full pink flower now. I did plant some sunflower seeds in here, but I haven't seen any come up yet. It might be too shaded and a bit clay rich, the soil there. We'll see. You can see some more foxgloves at the back there. Yeah. Another one of these, look, coming up quite well. So it's interesting that they're doing fine, but actually there's one I planted in that sort of damper area where it's shaded, and that hasn't produced any flowers, or just one or two flowers. So they must like a bit of sun. So there's actually here, this one, the same one. I just shoved a bit, I just cut the roots and shoved it in, and there's a little bit of flower on it, but not as much as the others. so not doing as well there. It just seemed to like being in pots. And it was just this thing that was in the middle here, and I split it. Last summer it was just there, but it was hiding everything else. Yeah. And the forget-me-nots are still doing well. So I'll take these out of here now because they're finished flowering for the winter. And I'll put something else in those. It's after 9 o'clock now. Lavender is just starting to flower a little bit there, and this lavender as well, the French lavender. Fantastic red sky. All these are in full leaf now, all these bushes and things here. Makes it all sort of shaded under there. It's still in flower. And this tree here is going to flower soon. This one. It's got little flower heads on it there, so it'll soon flower.